Hello beautiful people, assalamu alaikum, welcome to the Zany's kitchen. So today we're going to be making this beautiful and delicious pancake that you see here. It's really easy and simple, guys. So let's not waste time and get into the video. Okay, now I'm gonna be preparing the dry ingredient first. I already have my flour into mixing bowl. This is a one cup. So I'm just making space to bring more dry ingredient into the flour. This is 2 tablespoons of baking powder. To taste it even better, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, some salt to taste. Once you're done, now mix the ingredient together. Now set aside and bring another mixing bowl. In here we're gonna add 1 cup milk. We're gonna use 1 cup first, and then later we need half cup more. So in here we're gonna add 1 egg. This is about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Now go ahead and mix everything very well. Now bring your flour and add the mixture into it. Now we're going to gently mix the ingredients together until it's well cooperated. Continue mixing, but slowly. We don't want to overmix this. As you can see, it's still stiff. I'm gonna go ahead and add another half cup milk that I said earlier. Mix it one more time. Once you're done mixing, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence for the good aroma. You can add also some dry fruits. I'm gonna go ahead and add some dry fruits. It's not necessary if you don't like. You can add even like strawberries, fresh sliced banana. You know, I just went with something simple, so I just like putting some dry fruits, and that's it. Now we're gonna just mix this for the last time and we are good to go. Okay, now that everything is done, it's time to cook. We're gonna place our fry pan in the low flame and melt some butter. I'm just adding a small piece of butter. Once the butter is melted, go ahead and add your mixture. Don't put too much because we don't want too big pancake. We want small, nice and round pancake. Let it cook until it starts bubbling on top. As you can see now, it's starting bubbling. We're gonna just flip it over and cook for about 1 minute or 1.5, or maybe until it's light golden down part. Now it's after 1 minute. I'm gonna just check what's going on down there. Oh wow, look at that, guys. It's so beautiful color that came out. Now I'm gonna just set aside and continue cooking. Let's continue cooking following the same step that we showed earlier until your mixture is finished. Okay friend, now I'm done cooking. I just put this piece of butter on top while my pancake is hot. I love butter. It's gonna be melting all over, and I'm adding also my favorite topping, guys. You can add anything that you like. If you like it plain, you're gonna go ahead and enjoy plain. It's also delicious. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you didn't like it, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with the family and friends. I'll see you guys in the next one.